Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hello, welcome. My name's Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. In this video, I have the wonderful Miss Ellie joining me back on my channel. We are doing Sister Does My Makeup Part 2.
No. 3.
So if you didn't know, we have done this video before. It's one of the most popular videos on my channel, and I'll make sure to link it below so you can see the evolution of her doing my makeup. She's gonna do my makeup today. I gave her full reign over my collection, so she's gonna do whatever she wants to my face. Before I ramble any further, make sure you go get a snack like Ellie has. And those Funyuns are gonna be all over my face. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and let's get right in to Ellie doing my makeup.
I'm gonna spray her face with Mario Badescu rose water. That's what it looks like. Ooh. Guerlain primer. It has real gold in it, is what I'm told.
Jesus Christ, these people. Imagine me doing that to the people whose makeup I do at work.
We're using the Huda. We're using the Huda Beauty foundation. That's thick.
With a QUE.
I don't know where I saw that, but I just always say it now. I'm just using a beauty blender that Megan is obsessed with.
Which brand is it from?
Elf, I think.
Elf Cosmetics. Smell this? Do you smell this foundation?
It smells like flowers.
Yeah, it's rose scented.
I guess that's the flower. Fucks, why are you so pale? Up.
What was that? Up.
God, she's so sad just sitting and letting me.
I don't like people touching my neck.
It's not me touching your neck, it's the beauty blender.
Okay, well, it's still something.
Okay, go that way. No.
Touching my neck.
Oh my god. Now I'm using the stick, the Fenty Beauty
Matchstick.
Amber.
You don't need to contour my forehead.
Yeah?
My bangs cover my forehead.
I'm still gonna do it. This stinks. It does nothing but just wipe off.
You gotta be lighter than you are. You gotta be gentle.
Then it doesn't.
I have a very square face. What are you? Why?
Stop, Megan. Turn that
I
on.
swear you do this just because you know I hate being touched.
You're gonna mess it up, Megan.
Oh my god. It's so aggressive.
No, it's not.
It is?
You're just a little baby.
What's the next step, sis? Got some concealer.
Just color pop. Honestly, I would go out with just my bake on.
Why?
It looks so cool. Okay, close your eyes. Turn this way.
What are you gonna work on next, Miss Slang?
I'm gonna do this.
A little bit of face powder time. At least I'm getting paid now.
Yeah.
What's next? You do my eyes?
Yeah. I'm using this palette, the Thirsty palette by Jeffree Star.
Whoop whoop. Sound more excited about it. Okay, go ahead. Meg 70. What?
I don't think it would say.
What the heck did you do?
I'll fix it in a second. Stop.
Okay. Please don't burn my forehead.
I'll try not.
What are you doing? What is she doing? Why did I agree to letting you do my bangs? That doesn't look good. Heck yeah. What's next?
Need a tiny brush. This is like my favorite part.
Yeah.
Just the brow. Make it lighter there.
You're gonna put the brush right.
Does it?
Yep. You're not supposed to do it with eyelashes either.
Am I supposed to blow on them?
No.
Oh, can you face my eyes? I should have told him I was doing my eyes.
Well, I'll do it. Yeah. I don't really care that much because you're my sister, but when you do other people's makeup, you're not supposed to do it. What's next? Blush?
Can't see your phone.
Yeah. Blush? What blush are you using?
This one.
What is it?
Too Faced.
Okay, Too Faced. What's the color?
Baby Love. Okay.
What is next? Highlighter?
Yeah. I don't like a lot of highlight though.
Too much? No, you're good actually. You couldn't redo that and doing that in a weirder way. Okay, go.
I can't go if you're like,
I felt that break.
It broke.
Yeah.
You're you make it better.
Oh, spray that away once. Okay, now go. All right, time for the Ellie Does My Hair segment. My bangs always look so funny after I take them out of the clip. Gotta spread them out.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh.
Just doing the other side.
She's using my duvolle straightening iron, which, if you didn't know, I'm a brand ambassador and get 70% off with my code MEG70. What?
I don't think it would say.
What the heck did you do?
I'll fix it in a second. Stop.
Okay. Please don't burn my forehead.
Try not.
What are you doing? What is she doing? Why did I agree to letting you do my bangs? That doesn't look good.
I know it looks weird. I'll fix it in just a second.
What the hell?
I'm just getting it straight. See? Ooh la la.
Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. What do we think? How did Ellie do? Give her a rating in the comments below.
0.
I don't know why I always say that, but because no one ever comments the rating. No one replies.
I'll comment.
If you want to see Ellie on my channel more, definitely hit that subscription button because we are going to be filming some videos together really soon. Some really funny ones, so keep an eye out for that. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!